Hey, this is Desmond here. So recently I just shopped at Audermars Piguet, and this is a very interesting brand because one of the things that I teach very often is the philosophy of serve few but serve premium. Now if you know AP, Audermars Piguet, what they do is that they make about 40,000 watches for all their models every year internationally, and they don't make more than that. So there is real scarcity to this. Hence these watches are actually very expensive. Now their watches range from I believe more than 20,000, sometimes I think the lowest end is going to be 17,000, all the way to hundreds of thousands. So this is going to be a watch that is very special to me because I bought this to celebrate my business growth, to celebrate the successes that I had in my business. So I'm a big watch guy as well. But instead of just opening this for the first time, I thought I would do it in front of the camera so you can see how they do the packaging and how they are able to command such a high price for this product here. Now, Audermars Piguet, the box here is amazing. It feels very solid. They got embossed silver, I think gold or silver, gold, okay? So if you know me, if you ever come to my class before, one of the print that I always taught my student is the fact that I always do emboss, okay? There's a reason why I always do emboss because it has a higher perceived value. Now inside, we have the receipt, and then we have some travel pouches, okay? Which means when you're traveling, you could actually keep your watch in here for safekeeping. But I'm not gonna actually work on any of this. I'm just gonna tell you the whole thing feels really high quality. The box feels really solid. I'm gonna grab the box out. The box is insanely heavy, okay? It's really heavy. This is the box. Like, I would say this is probably a few kilograms, okay? Quite decent weight. So I'm gonna take this aside and I want to show you the Audermars Piguet box. You take a look, okay? This is a really cool box. What I want to do right now is I want to unbox this and I want to show you how it works. Now they got my favorite green color here, this forest green. Again, on the top, embossed gold. Okay, gold emboss. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. It feels like when you're opening a new Apple product. You feel the suction, you get what I'm saying? And bam, right? That's the box. Put it aside here, and what you can see here is that there's a piece of paper here. I'm not sure what paper is this. I think it's to protect the watch, but you open up like that, okay? You open up like that, and you have this little thing here. So this thing here opens up the watch box. So inside this box, it comes with a watch box where you can keep your watch. So I'm gonna lift this thing here. Now this is the watch box. I'm gonna take this out, okay? This is the watch box. Now underneath here, of course, you have like your manuals. This is a protection. You have manuals right here, okay? Warranty cards, they're all right in here, okay? I'm not gonna bother opening them because I don't think anyone actually opened them, but I want to just show you how it looks like. It looks really fantastic. The way they lay out the boxes is really interesting. It goes in like that, fits perfectly. But we're here for the watch, so I'm gonna just put this all aside, okay? We're here for the watch, and I want to show you the watch here. This is a really nice watch box. What I like about it is, of course, it feels really solid. The watch is, of course, sitting inside. Again, we have gold Audermars Piguet on the top, forest green. This is the color of luxury. And what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna lift up the boxes, okay? Here you go. Ta-da! So, I bought myself a chronograph watch. This is perhaps my first chronograph watch. No, this is my second one. And this is my first Audermars Piguet. And I chose a steel watch because this is something that I can wear on a daily basis. There are other ones that I think are much more nicer and sleek and beautiful, like the rose gold Royal Oak. This is a Royal Oak chronograph, black dial. And what I really like about this watch is the fact that it's really cool. The design, I like this lock, I like the bracelet. It just feels so good, and when I put it on, it makes me feel really secure. Now I've worn some really nice watches before, and this watch here just makes you feel like super secure. It makes you feel like, you know what, I can wear this watch and it's not gonna come off. That's what I really like about the bracelet here, okay? So this is the bracelet. I'm gonna put this on right now. Okay, take a look. Looks absolutely amazing. I like a watch that is very classy like this, that I can wear on a daily basis. In terms of the weight of the watch, a lot of people say, hey, you know, AP watches, they look really heavy. Are they really heavy? They're not. They feel good, and this feels good. This is the box that it comes with, so high quality, as you can see. Audermars Piguet. I thought, since I bought this watch to celebrate my business, I thought I would celebrate it by actually showing you how they package the product together. Here are all the components that come with it. We have the manuals, which is the box here. Okay, we have the watch box, which sits here, and then we have the lid that covers everything, and all goes into this box. All extremely high quality, all extremely congruent, and more importantly, you're not sparing any money here. This is really high quality here. So when you're buying premium product, or even when you're selling a premium product yourself, you have to understand this. Little things like the prints, little things like the box, the packaging, you have to make sure they are of high quality. And this is something that companies like Apple understands. If you buy Apple products before their iPhones or MacBook Pro, you will know that a lot of their products, the boxes, extremely high quality. Okay, it's same with Audermars Piguet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more of this. If you want more luxury unboxing, do let me know as well. Comment, and I'll be more than happy to do more of this.